Hello, everyone. Today, we will talk about cybersecurity and why it is so important in our digital world. Cybersecurity is about protecting computers, networks, and data from online threats. These threats come in different forms, such as hackers, viruses, and scams. Without cybersecurity, people can steal important information, like passwords, credit card details, or private company data. By the end of this session, you will understand how cybersecurity helps make the digital world a safer place for everyone. What is cybersecurity? Cybersecurity is about keeping computers, networks, and data safe from hackers, viruses, and cyber attacks. It is like locking your house to protect your belongings, but in this case, we are protecting digital information. Cybersecurity helps to stop criminals from stealing or damaging important data. Why is cybersecurity important? Cybersecurity is very important because it protects personal and business data. It keeps important information like passwords, bank details, and business records safe. Prevents unauthorized access. It stops hackers from breaking into computers and stealing information. Ensures privacy and security. It makes sure that private messages, online payments, and personal details are safe. Guards against identity theft. If someone steals your identity, they can pretend to be you and misuse your accounts. Cybersecurity helps to prevent this. Builds trust in online systems. If a business has strong cybersecurity, customers feel safe using its services. Without cybersecurity, personal and business information can be stolen, changed, or misused. For example, hackers can use stolen bank details to steal money, or they can leak private company data. This can cause big financial losses and damage a company's reputation. Cybersecurity is important for everyone: students, employees, businesses, and even governments. To stay safe online, always use strong passwords, avoid clicking on unknown links, and update your software regularly. By understanding cybersecurity, we can all protect our digital world and use technology safely. Now, we're going to talk about why cybersecurity is important. Let's go through some key reasons why cybersecurity matters. Increasing cyber threats. Cyber attacks like hacking, phishing, and ransomware are becoming more common. Cybercriminals try to break into computers and steal information. If we are not careful, we can lose important data. Consequences of breaches. If a company or a person gets hacked, they could lose money, personal data, or customer trust. Some businesses never recover from cyber attacks. Cybersecurity helps prevent this. Need for strong cybersecurity. Cybersecurity is not just for businesses, but for everyone. It protects personal information, business records, and even government systems from attacks. Without cybersecurity, important industries like healthcare and banking could be at risk. Prevention. Cybersecurity prevents fraud and identity theft. Simple actions like using strong passwords, avoiding suspicious links, and updating software can help protect us. Protection of critical systems. Important industries like hospitals, banks, and defense systems depend on cybersecurity to run safely. If hackers attack these systems, they could cause major damage. In conclusion, cybersecurity keeps our digital world safe. Let's learn about different types of cybersecurity threats. These threats are dangerous because they can steal information, damage systems, or stop services from working properly. Understanding these threats will help us stay safe online. 1. Types of malware. Malware is a type of software that is designed to harm computers. There are different types of malware. Viruses. These attach to files and spread when the file is opened. Worms. These spread without needing a file to attach to. Ransomware. This locks a computer and demands money to unlock it. Key fact: malware can steal data, slow down computers, and cause big problems for businesses and individuals. Using antivirus software and avoiding suspicious downloads can help prevent malware attacks. 2. Types of phishing. Phishing is a trick used by hackers to steal information by pretending to be someone trustworthy. There are different types of phishing. Email phishing. Fake emails ask for personal details. Spear phishing. A targeted attack on specific people or businesses. Smishing. Phishing through SMS messages. Key fact: phishing attacks often use urgent or fake messages to trick people into clicking bad links. Always check if an email or message is real before responding. 3. Types of DOS, denial of service, attacks. DOS attacks overload websites or networks so they stop working. There are different types. Volumetric attacks, sending too much traffic to a website. Protocol attacks, targeting system weaknesses. Application layer attacks, attacking a specific software or website function. Key fact: DOS attacks cause service disruptions and can be used to distract companies from bigger attacks. Firewalls and security filters help prevent them. Insider threats and advanced persistent threats, APTs. Insider threats. These come from trusted people misusing their access. They may leak information or harm systems. APTs, advanced persistent threats. These are long-term, planned cyber attacks by skilled hackers trying to steal important data. Now, we are going to talk about the main components of cybersecurity. Cybersecurity is not just about protecting passwords or avoiding scams. It involves many parts working together to keep systems safe. Let's go through each component one by one. Network security. Network security protects computer networks from hackers and unauthorized users. It stops attackers from getting into systems and stealing data. Firewalls and security software help protect networks from cyber threats. Application security. Applications like websites and mobile apps can have weaknesses that hackers try to exploit. Application security ensures that software is safe by fixing security gaps and preventing cyber attacks. Information security. This protects sensitive information from being stolen or changed. For example, banks use information security to protect customer data, and businesses use it to secure confidential files. Endpoint security. Endpoint security protects devices like computers, phones, and tablets from cyber threats. Antivirus software and security updates help keep devices safe. Identity and access management, IAM. This controls who can access certain systems or files. Businesses use IAM to make sure only the right people have permission to use specific data or software. Cloud security. Since many people store data online, cloud security protects information stored on the internet. It prevents hackers from accessing cloud-based files and accounts. Disaster recovery and business continuity. If a company faces a cyber attack, it needs a plan to recover lost data and continue working. This is called disaster recovery. Companies prepare backup plans to protect important information. User education. People are the first line of defense in cybersecurity. If users are trained to spot scams, avoid phishing emails, and use strong passwords, they can help prevent cyber threats. Finally, all these cybersecurity components work together to protect digital systems. We must use all these security measures to stay safe online. Let's talk about the CIA triad, which is a key concept in cybersecurity. CIA stands for confidentiality, integrity, and availability. These three principles help protect data and keep computer systems safe. Let's go through each one and understand why they are important. 1. Confidentiality. Confidentiality means that only the right people can access certain information. For example, your bank account details should only be seen by you and your bank, not by hackers or strangers. To protect confidentiality, cybersecurity experts use tools like passwords, encryption, and access controls. These make sure that sensitive data stays private and safe from cybercriminals. 2. Integrity. Integrity means keeping information accurate and reliable. Imagine if someone changed your exam marks or edited a company's financial reports without permission. That would be a big problem. Integrity ensures that data is not changed or tampered with by unauthorized people. Companies use checksums and version control systems to make sure that data remains correct. 3. Availability. Availability means that information and systems must be accessible when needed. For example, if an online banking website crashes, people won't be able to use their accounts. To ensure availability, businesses use backups, strong servers, and cybersecurity tools to keep systems running, even if an attack happens. These three principles work together to keep data safe, accurate, and accessible. Without the CIA triad, cybersecurity would not be effective. Now, we are going to learn about cybersecurity tools and technologies that help protect computers, networks, and data. These tools are like security guards that keep our digital world safe from hackers and viruses. Let's go through each one and understand how they work. 1. Firewalls and intrusion detection/prevention systems. A firewall acts like a security gate for a computer network. It allows safe data to pass through and blocks harmful data. Intrusion detection and prevention systems, IDPS, monitor the network for any suspicious activity and stop unauthorized access. 2. Antivirus and anti-malware software. This software helps detect, remove, and prevent viruses and malware from infecting a computer. Malware can damage files, steal personal information, or slow down a system. Antivirus software regularly scans for threats and removes harmful programs. 3. Encryption tools. Encryption is a way to protect data by converting it into a secret code. This ensures that only authorized people can read the information. For example, when we send messages or make online payments, encryption helps keep our data safe from hackers. 4. Vulnerability scanners. These tools check systems and software for weaknesses that hackers might use to break in. They help businesses and individuals fix problems before they can be exploited. 5. Security Information and Event Management, SIEM. SIEM systems monitor and analyze security threats in real time. They help organizations detect attacks early and respond quickly. These cybersecurity tools work together to protect digital systems. Using them properly helps keep personal and business information safe from cyber threats. Now, we talk about cybersecurity best practices. These are simple but important steps that help keep our computers, accounts, and data safe from cyber threats. By following these practices, we can protect ourselves from hackers, viruses, and scams. Let's go through each one. Regular software updates. Software updates help fix security weaknesses that hackers could use to attack a system. Companies release updates and patches to make their software safer. It is important to update operating systems, applications, and antivirus programs regularly to stay protected. Strong passwords and multi-factor authentication, MFA. Using a strong password is one of the best ways to protect an account. A strong password should be long, unique, and a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. Multi-factor authentication, MFA, adds an extra layer of security by asking for a second verification step, like a code sent to your phone. This makes it harder for hackers to break into your accounts. Employee education. Many cyber attacks happen because people click on fake emails or links. Training people to recognize phishing emails, scams, and malware can help prevent security risks. In businesses, employees should learn how to handle sensitive data and avoid risky online activities. Security audits and risk assessments. Regular security audits help find weaknesses in a system before hackers do. Businesses and individuals should check their cybersecurity measures and improve them when needed. Risk assessments ensure that systems follow security policies and remain safe. By following these best practices, we can reduce cyber risks and stay safe online. Cybersecurity is everyone's responsibility, so always be careful with your passwords, updates, and online activities. Now, we will talk about why employee awareness is important in cybersecurity. Many cyber attacks happen because of human mistakes. If employees are well trained and aware of cybersecurity risks, they can help protect their company from threats. Let's go through the key points. Human error. Many cyber attacks happen because people make simple mistakes, like clicking on a fake email or using weak passwords. Hackers take advantage of these mistakes to steal information. That's why employees need to be careful and follow cybersecurity rules. Training programs. Companies provide training programs to teach employees how to spot phishing emails, social engineering attacks, and other cyber threats. When employees know what to look for, they are less likely to fall for scams. Security-conscious culture. A security-conscious culture means that all employees take cybersecurity seriously. They understand that protecting company data is everyone's responsibility. Encouraging safe online habits helps prevent cyber attacks. Policy adherence. Every company has security rules and policies to protect data. Employees must follow these policies, such as using strong passwords, locking their computers when not in use, and not sharing sensitive information with unknown people. Incident reporting. If an employee notices something suspicious, like a phishing email or a possible data breach, they should report it immediately. Quick reporting helps prevent bigger problems. An informed workforce is the best defense against cyber threats. The more employees know about cybersecurity, the safer a company will be. Now, we talk about cybersecurity frameworks. A cybersecurity framework is a set of guidelines that helps organizations protect their systems and data. These frameworks provide a structured approach to managing cyber risks, improving security, and responding to cyber threats. Let's discuss the three major frameworks shown on the slide. 1. NIST Cybersecurity Framework. NIST stands for the National Institute of Standards and Technology. This framework is widely used to improve cybersecurity in organizations. It focuses on 5 key functions. Identify risks and vulnerabilities. Protect important systems and data. Detect cyber threats early. Respond to security incidents effectively. Recover quickly after an attack. This framework helps businesses stay prepared for cyber threats. 2. ISO/IEC 27001. ISO/IEC 27001 is an international standard that helps organizations create a strong information security management system, ISMS. It provides rules and best practices for keeping information secure. Companies that follow ISO 27001 can reduce security risks and improve data protection. 3. COBIT, Control Objectives for Information and Related Technologies. COBIT is a governance framework that connects IT security with business goals. It helps businesses manage risks, monitor performance, and control cybersecurity processes. Companies use COBIT to ensure that IT security supports their overall business strategy. These frameworks help organizations improve cybersecurity, follow security policies, and manage risks effectively. Businesses choose the framework that best fits their needs to keep their systems safe. Thank you all for your attention. We have learned about cybersecurity, its importance, threats, tools, and best practices. Cybersecurity is essential for protecting data and staying safe online. I hope you now understand how to apply these concepts in daily life.